Hi everyone, today's clip is the importance of getting into the correct position early. At this roundabout we are going right second exit, so we come off in the right hand lane, pass the penultimate exit and move over to the left, just as we would with any other roundabout. My student does ask a really important question.
Can I join from this lane, or do I need to move left?
No, move left, yeah.
Now, keep an eye on the white car behind us.
I got confused for a moment.
Same as usual. So I think this white car is going to try to, but they're relying on a space.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so there, look at that.
Oh.
That's why you know you can't join from there.
Let's go back and have a look at how this could have been prevented. First opportunity, could the car have just followed us?
I got confused for a moment.
Same as usual.
Opportunity 2, signalling in good time and slotting in between us and the lorry.
So I think this white car is going to try to, but they're relying on a space.
Opportunity 3, on seeing this car in the right hand lane, preventing the overtake of the lorry, signal on, slow down, still slot between the lorry and us. Opportunity 4, accept that you're not making this exit. Go around again, making sure you're in a good position earlier.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so there, look at that.
Oh.
4 opportunities, none of them taken, resulting in having to go all the way around again anyway. And that was the best case scenario. My student sums this up.
Oh, that could have been so much worse.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, comment and subscribe, and tune in again soon.